but it does look like being a Happy New Year.
Thanks, Andrew. We really enjoyed that special Christmas story.
We've had a very special Boxing Day too, and a great Christmas here on CBeebies. Today, Sid made these wonderful Elton John glasses. We've had a brilliant Bob the Builder disco, and over here is Postman Pat's van. It delivered the birthday post.
Don't forget to say a special thank you to everyone who's made your Christmas a very happy one too.
Tomorrow, Peter Rabbit and friends will be here.
See you soon.
This is an emergency broadcast from the BBC. Information of a possible nuclear strike against this country has been received.
We're sorry to keep you awake past your bedtime, but we have some very sad news to tell you all. CBeebies and other channels will be closing down forever. This is because some very bad people from far away are planning to hurt us. They want to hit us with big bombs and kill lots and lots of people, including lots of animals and wildlife. And the sky won't be blue for a while because of all the smoke. Those who are left will likely be very sad for a long time, so they will need lots of hugs during their time left here. Just before it happens, your town or city might look a bit like this.
These have gone. Everything's dead. Why didn't you pull the bloody aerial out? Get the standbys working. Move that. Come on.
Unfortunately, we can't stop it, and this will happen at around 6 AM tomorrow at the latest. Try not to be scared, and do something you like draw a coloring book or play your favorite game. You should also get some water and food together as lots of places will be closed for a while. Stay at home with your family, they will keep you as safe as possible. Don't go outside, especially after the bombs drop, as there will be things in the air that might make you feel poorly, or even die. We've had a wonderful time presenting for you, and hopefully one day we can meet again. In another world. Goodbye, and good luck.